Hello everyone, welcome back to iFinance. Today, we have a special episode tailored for all the beginners out there who are looking to manage their finances wisely. We'll be discussing 10 essential personal finance tips that will help you lay a strong foundation for your financial future. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Setting financial goals. The first tip is all about setting clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for an emergency fund, buying a house, or retiring comfortably. Having specific goals will give your financial planning a clear direction. Tip 2. Creating a budget. Tip number 2 is creating a budget. Track your income and expenses diligently. Creating a budget will help you understand where your money is going and where you can cut back, ensuring you live within your means. Tip 3. Emergency fund building. An emergency fund is crucial. Tip number 3 suggests having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This fund acts as a safety net during unexpected situations like job loss or medical emergencies. Tip 4. Managing debt. Tip number 4 focuses on managing your debt. Try to pay off high-interest debts first, like credit card debt. Being debt-free allows you to invest and save more for your future. Tip 5. Start investing early. Tip number 5 emphasizes the power of compounding. Start investing as early as possible, even if it's a small amount. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow over time. Tip 6. Understand investment options. It's essential to educate yourself about different investment options. Understand stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment vehicles. Diversify your investments to spread the risk. Tip 7. Save for retirement. Tip number 7 is about saving for retirement. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401k or IRA. Start early and your future self will thank you for it. Tip 8. Regularly review your finances. Regularly review your financial situation. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Reassess your goals and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Tip 9. Avoid impulse spending. Be mindful of impulse spending. Tip number 9 advises you to differentiate between your needs and wants. Avoid unnecessary expenses to save more for your financial goals. Tip 10. Seek professional advice. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional financial advice. A certified financial planner can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. There you have it, folks. 10 essential personal finance tips for beginners. Remember, building a strong financial future takes time, discipline, and patience. Start implementing these tips today and you'll be well on your way to financial success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.